This video will introduce you to the new eWeber portal. It will cover how to search for applications, how to favorite apps, and how to create and organize your favorite lists for quick access to your most used portal apps, as well as a variety of other basic functions. Let's get started on the university homepage. The top left corner of all university web pages contains a menu of commonly used services and features, including a direct link to eWeber. On the right side of this menu, you will find icons that link to the university events and academic calendar, the A to Z index, a search box for university web pages, a notification panel, and your user profile. Notifications contain important information about such things as password expirations, updating your Code Purple profile, or other portal-related functions. Some notifications will contain links directing you to further information or to perform a task. You will not see notifications unless you are properly authenticated and logged in. Clicking on the eWeber link will take you directly to the eWeber portal. From here you will find access to all university portal apps. It is important to note that if you are not logged in, you will see a lock icon next to any application that requires authentication. There are several ways to log into eWeber. Clicking on the user profile icon will prompt you to log in. Clicking an application that requires authentication will prompt you to log in as well. Once you log in the first time, your default screen is a list of featured apps, which is helpful but not ideal. To make for quick access to your most frequently used apps, we recommend you customize your default portal screen by creating a favorite list. The easiest way to find applications is to use the eWeber search box. It auto-completes as you type with potential suggestions. These searches include keywords if you are uncertain of the exact name of an application. For example, I want to pay for classes. I type in the term pay and see a list of suggested phrases. I could hit enter now and see all the results for that key phrase, or I could select pay for classes and get the exact result I was looking for. In some cases, a search may not return any results. You might try using different keywords or sending feedback on your problem. It is also important to note that the search box only searches eWeber applications, not the entire university website. For site searches, use the magnifying glass in the top right corner. An application entry consists of a title, an image, a details button, a favorite button, and a pair of icons referring to whether an application is friendly to mobile devices or if it links to an external service. Clicking on the title or image of an application will launch the application. Clicking Details will give you more information about the application, as well as a list of keywords associated with it. Clicking on an application's icon will open the application. Once you've landed on an application, you can complete whatever task you needed to. If you want to return to eWeber, simply click the eWeber logo along the top. Selecting Favorite on an application will give you the option of remembering it for future use. If you do not have any favorite lists, it will prompt you to create one and name it. Otherwise, it will ask which existing list you would like to add your new favorite to. Once a favorite list is created, it will be set as your default landing page every time you log into eWeber. If you have multiple favorite lists, you can rearrange them by clicking and dragging. Whichever list is on the top is the list that will be used as your default landing page. Inside a favorites list, you can reorder applications as well. Dragging and dropping an item will change its position. To remove an application from a favorites list, click the X that appears in the right-hand corner of an application. To rename or delete a favorites list, cursor over the name of the list on the left. A cog will appear. Clicking the cog will prompt you to rename or delete that list. If you delete the list, all associated favorites will be deleted as well. When you are finished using eWeber, it is strongly recommended that you log out to protect your account. Clicking the profile icon in the top right will give you the prompt to log out. We hope you enjoy your experience with the new eWeber.